రైట్ నౌ విజన్ డాక్యుమెంట్ని ఆవిష్కరించబోతున్నారు సీఎం రేవంత్ రెడ్డి. లైవ్లో చూద్దాం.
సానుకూల దృక్పథంతో, సహృదయంతో, సంస్కారంతో, సౌజన్యంతో అందరినీ ముందుకు నడిపించమని తెలంగాణ తల్లిని ప్రార్థిస్తూ మే నౌ రిక్వెస్ట్ శ్రీ కె రామకృష్ణారావు ఐఏఎస్ సార్ టు కండక్ట్ ది ప్రొసీడింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫెస్టివ్ మూమెంట్స్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఆనరబుల్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ శ్రీ రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు, ఆనరబుల్ డిప్యూటీ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ శ్రీ మల్లు భట్టి విక్రమార్క గారు, ఎస్టీమ్డ్ గ్లోబల్ గెస్ట్ సర్ టోనీ బ్లేయర్, శ్రీ ఆనంద్ మహీంద్ర గారు, డాక్టర్ రఘురామ్ రాజన్ గారు, డిస్టింగ్విష్డ్ ఎకానమిస్ట్ శ్రీ అరవింద్ సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు, శ్రీ కార్తిక్ మురళీధరన్ గారు, ఫార్మర్ గవర్నర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బీఐ అండ్ మన తెలుగు బిడ్డ శ్రీ దువ్వూరి సుబ్బారావు గారు, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. As the winter sun sets over the magnificent Bharat future city, something new is rising. For the last 48 hours, this venue has hummed with the energy of possibility. We have not just held a summit, we have ignited a movement. Looking around this hall, I see the world represented in our state. I see the ambition of Silicon Valley, the precision of South Korea, the scale of China, and the spirit of India, all converging here on the Deccan Plateau. When we conceived the Telangana Rising Global Summit, under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable members of the Cabinet, we dared to dream big. We set a target to transform our state into a $1 trillion economy by 2034 and $3 trillion economy by 2047. Many people asked, is this really possible? Today, the world has answered with a resounding yes. In just the first day of the summit, we have secured investment commitments excluding 3 lakh crores. And today, we have secured investment commitments of more than 2 lakh crores. In all, when the totaling is done, I'm sure that in a very short period of time, such an intensity of investment commitments are never made in any state. These are not just numbers, they are the seeds of millions of jobs. They are the guarantee that our children will not have to look around for opportunity. Opportunity has come to them. Our Honorable Chief Minister has rightfully invoked that the competition to Hyderabad, the competition to Telangana is not just another city in India, as another state in the world, another state in India, but we are competing with the best in the world. We not only have to compete with them, but we have to be better than them. Just as the region within China, which has transformed into the factory of the world, Telangana wants to be transformed into not just the factory, but also the innovative laboratory and the engine which drives the growth in India. our strategy is very, very clear. We have the core urban region where deep tech and finance will thrive in world-class cities. The peri-urban region where fast urbanization is happening, the hum of the machinery and logistics will drive global exports. In the rural area, where our farmers become partners in prosperity through value chains and green energy. This is the blueprint for Viksit Telangana as part of Viksit Bharat dream of Honorable Prime Minister. It is a model where the skyscraper and the silo stand together. But friends, economic growth without a soul is merely commerce. Telangana is built on a foundation of struggle and poetry. Standing here, I am reminded of the great revolutionary poet, Dasarathi Krishnamacharya, who even from behind the prison bars saw the brilliance of this land and people. He sang, Na Telangana Koti Ratanala Veena. In English, my Telangana is a veena decked with a crore of diamonds. For decades, these diamonds lay hidden in the dust of neglect. Today, through your investments and our vision and hard work, we are polishing these diamonds. The world can now see and shine. From the weaves of Pochampalli to the software quarters of Cyberabad, the melody of the veena is now being heard across India and across the globe. And let us not forget the conscience keeper of the state, the Prajakavi Kaloji Narayan Rao, who taught us that true progress is inclusive. In this spirit, I assure you that this $1 trillion vision is for the common man. It will ensure that the wealth we create in these plenary halls, in this Bharat Future City, will also reach the last household of Telangana, of Adilabad, of Kottagudem Bhadradri, and also of Gadwal. As we close this summit, we open a new chapter. To our investors, you have placed your trust in us. We will honor it with speed, transparency, and partnership. To our youth, the Skill University, chaired by Sri Anand Mahindra ji, this is for you. Prepare yourself for the world. History tells us that in the words of Victor Hugo, no force on earth can stop an idea whose time has come. Telangana's time has come today. We are resilient. We are ambitious. As our Chief Minister declared to the world, Telangana's rise is unstoppable. Let us go forth from this place and build the future. Come, join the rise. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.